Thank God for that. Morning. Gonna get back on the chainsaw today. I've actually gone on a decent website and I've ordered what I needed. So I've ordered new carburetor, new air filter, a new little pipe that goes in the fuel tank. Yeah, and all the other little bits that were crap from China. Probably, I think it might be a little bit better. This one looks the same as the other one. So we've got a little one like that. Be using that. New pipe. New fuel cap, because the other one's still gone. Got a new brake spring, because they don't stop when you pull the trigger. New air filter. And a new clutch. New spark plug. And some more 2-stroke oil. So that's my little bit and my job for today. I'm gonna get on with it. I'm probably gonna put it all on time lapse because I want to get this done and over and done with. I actually know where they are today, so they're right here. A bit dirty, but they're right there. So I'm gonna keep them there till I need them. And as usual, got my tea. Let's get me subject. So this is going to be a time lapse from here on in. So I just wanted to show you quickly comparison to the two parts. So I moulded them level. Straight away I can see the hole is different, and this one is angled differently because this one wasn't sitting down in the bottom of the tank, but this one will because it's angled the right way. So you can see the hole is a lot bigger on this one than this one. That's why when you buy cheap stuff, you don't get the right parts. So I had to use a cable tie on that one, but I'm not going to have to on that one. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to show you the differences between the pattern. That's brass, that's brass. This is the Chinese one. This is the one I got from England. That's different. That looks like it's bent. It might be why it's coming out. But these two bits here look different to the original. I don't even know where I put the original now. Actually, yeah, this is the original. See, look, there's a little stop there. That there is a little stop. So this is the one from China. This is the stihl one, which is 75 quid. And it still says China on it. Look. Right, but yeah, there's quite a bit of difference. I mean, don't know what that looks like to you, but yeah, there's quite a bit of difference still. So I'm hoping but the one I bought from England is better. Okay, so I've put all the bits in, apart from the clutch. Yeah, I've just got to put the clutch in and the brake, because it's definitely not stopping. When it did work, it didn't stop. So I'm going to give it a whirl, see if it will work. Thank God for that. Right, time lapse me changing that now. Clutch is done. That's the old one. Looks alright from that side, but there's a bit of rust on the inside of that one, so I'm assuming, I suppose assuming makes an ass of you and me. But yeah, that looks like it was the problem. This brake was a bit stretched as well, because the other one was bent like that. So I'm assuming that was knackered as well. We'll see. Well, I'm going to go and move you up to the chopping station if you want, and we'll crack on and see if we can cut some logs. Alright, so this is where I got up to last time. I got about a third of the way through this log and I couldn't get no further because it conked out on me. So let's have another go. See if my fix is a proper fix. Safety first. Go. Oh, I'm happy with that. Well, there you go. My fix worked. I'm happy because that's a brilliant tool. I've got loads of logs to chop now. Let me know if you want to see me chopping logs. Okay, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.